Welcome to AppStoreBot. This easy-to-use software that could bring a massive amount of downloads and 5-star reviews in just a few simple clicks. I will show you how AppStoreBot works. Before using AppStoreBot, Memu needs to be installed when you use it, so go to memuplay.com to get Memu first. After downloading Memu, go to AppStoreBot. Set Memu installation here and save. You can see how many Memu you're using here. Then back to App Manage tab. Click Add button to add your app. Input your app's name. And click here to add an icon. Please note that you need to add an icon for your app. The software will uninstall your app after working. There are two ways to uninstall it. One is uninstall it by recognizing your app icon. So don't forget to do it. Select your app. You can edit, delete, or import from here. Then we go to comments. Click add to add some comments we're gonna use later. You can add as much as you want comment here. They'll be used randomly. Back to the table. You can see how many rows of your comment here. Next, we go to Account Manage. Add your account you're gonna rank your app. Add proxy here if you have. Click Edit to change your device info. You can just choose one of the countries and click Create. They will fill in automatically. You can click Proxy Manage to import bulk proxies. Lastly, go to Task Manage. Click Create button. Input a task name and select your app and account. Select items you're gonna do with your account. Create. When you finished all those works, just select your task and click Start button. AppStoreBot will do all the works for you.